Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Let's just do this as two radial gradients, I think. It's color. 90 pixels. And the pink. Remember to give it a 1Q to make it a circle. Good start. Then we're going to do a radial gradient. Again, 1Q. This color. It's hard to tell. I think that's going to be 40 pixels. Then we'll leave it transparent now. We'll shift it 50 pixels across, 50 pixels down. We'll see how close that is. How about 55? Nope, how about 45? That might be closer. That looks reasonable. We're going to add a no repeat. Change this to a pink. Going to give it a width and a height. So I think our width is going to be 90 pixels and the height the same. That's in completely the wrong place. Of course it is, because that will have put it, yeah. So we want 200 across, 150 down, I think. Yeah. Let's try submitting that. That does give us 100%. Minify it. Remove those. So the reason that we've given this a width and a height is so that we can get that square background behind that circle, which will cut that bigger circle. We obviously don't want it to repeat, because we'd have circles all over the place. Is there another way we could do this? We could do it with two elements. Let's give it a go. It's just going to find one element. No, we're not. We're not going to do that. Going to do radius, then background, color. Then we'll bring its markings into play. 60. That does give us that first circle. Change this over to this pink. And the problem with that is I can't run out. Second one over it. So you can't use a straight box shadow on it. Or could you? Actually, let's try something silly. Make that a star again. Get rid of that. Make that 110 again. Do a box shadow inset. 45 pixels by 45 pixels. No, that's going to follow the border radius, so that's a bit of a pain. I was hoping to get the block. So we'll go back to a P. I think we'll actually need 3 if we're going to do this. PC and a PC. Take space in there. Then we'll set this background to pink. That. This a height. That gets us the main circle. the P plus P that's a height of 90. Mm, 200 from the left, 2 from the top. So let's put those in the right order. Give it a 0 there temporarily. Then from the, that's going to be 192, isn't it? Then from the right, 190 off 100. It was 310, so probably 302. Now, why isn't that showing up? Oh, because the top isn't going to be that. It's going to be minus 200. That shouldn't be 302 because that'd be far too much. Let's try 102 there, there. That's slightly better. And 100 and 30, 20. 10, 120. Let's get rid of this temporarily. Worry about putting that in the right place in a minute. That should be 150. Okay. And then we want the next one to be in exactly the same place. So I think we can do 150 there. No. 20, 60. I think that I am too big on my circle. I might need plus P plus P. Height of 80. Margin 0. 50. Okay, where is it? Why is it all the way up there? Let's get rid of that. That. That's going to be 10 more. It's going to be 10 more. He is probably correct. Ah, 107. 7. 85. Perfect. That does give us 100%, which is quite good. I think we could save some by just going height bar h 80 width let's go S 180. Just go bar let's go 90. Place that height needs to go. That seems to fix another bug. This can just be minus 150 because everything else matches. Means I should be able to get rid of that. What's that done? Oh, it needs to go over a little bit. So let's take that down. See, it's good. Yeah. Seven will be correct. We don't need those. Okay. Check that. So then don't need that. We minify unit replace. There won't be any units to replace. Take out that. It's not as good as our original solution, so let's load back up the original. That one. And I think that's where we're going to leave it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.